Welcome to our instructional video on reducing the rational expression to lowest terms today. We will be focusing on the expression, open parentheses, 2x squared minus 18, close parentheses, divided by open parentheses, x minus 3, close parentheses. Let's go ahead and simplify this expression step by step to ensure we reach the lowest terms possible. Let's get started. Step 1. The first thing we need to do is to factor the numerator. Let's look at the expression, 2x squared minus 18. We start by finding the greatest common factor, or GCF, of 2x squared and 18. The GCF is the largest number that can evenly divide both terms for 2x squared. The factors are 2 and x squared. For 18, the factors are 2 and 9. So, the GCF is 2. We can factor out the GCF, 2, from both terms in the numerator. This means we rewrite the numerator by dividing each term by 2. So, 2x squared minus 18 becomes 2 times x squared minus 9. Now, our new expression looks like this. 2 times x squared minus 9, divided by x minus 3. In this step, we have simplified the numerator by factoring out the greatest common factor, which is 2. This makes it easier to see if there are any common factors that we can cancel out in the next steps. Step 2. Now that we've simplified the numerator to 2 times x squared minus 9, divided by x minus 3, we need to see if x squared minus 9 can be factored further. Notice that x squared minus 9 is a difference of squares. A difference of squares is an expression of the form a squared minus b squared, which can be factored into a plus b times a minus b. In our case, a is x, and b is 3. Since x squared minus 9 can be rewritten as x squared minus 3 squared. Therefore, we can factor x squared minus 9 into x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now our numerator looks like this. 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. So, our new expression is 2 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. Divided by x minus 3. Next, we look to see if there are any common factors in both the numerator and the denominator that can be cancelled out. Notice that x minus 3 appears in both the numerator and the denominator. When a factor appears in both the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel it out, leaving us with 2 times x plus 3 divided by 1. Which simplifies further to just 2 times x plus 3. This completes the process of reducing the rational expression to its lowest terms. The final simplified form of the expression is 2 times x plus 3